Okay, for this question says, for a cylinder with a volume of V square inches, which of the following expression represents the radius in inches? So first what we have to do is we have to get the volume of a cylinder, the formula. To find the formula on the HiSET test, all you have to do is press help and the formula sheet will pop up. And it'll say something like area of a base times a height. So a cylinder, when you look at a cylinder, it's almost like a can. When it says the area of the base, which is either the top or the bottom, it's a circle. So what you have to remember here, the formula for the circle is going to be pi times radius squared, and then you have your height. Okay, so now I'm going to rewrite it as V is equal to pi times radius squared times height. Now they want you to solve for the R. They want the R by itself, okay? So now what I'm going to do here is once I write this again, I'll put this as a line here, I need this R by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I see that all three of these things, what they're doing all together is multiplying. What is the opposite of multiplication? It's going to be division. And we want this R to be by itself. So what I have to bring down first, bring down the pi and bring down the height. But I have to do that on both sides. Now, once I do that, this is going to cancel out. This is going to cancel out. Now I have the R to the second power by itself. So I'm going to rewrite it. V is equal to pi. V is divided by pi times height is equal to the R squared. Now, what do I do here? I got an R squared here. I want the R by itself. The opposite of squares are going to be square roots. So I have to square root both sides just to get rid of that 2. Now, once that 2's gone and this sign's gone, now look at that, I got the R by itself. So that means all of this over here, and let me just bring this up over here. I'm gonna bring this right here. So now I have the square root of V over pi times H is equal to R. So this is going to be my answer. There's not too many ways you can switch this question up. I just want you to really pay attention to this. If you can like study this one, it's gonna be very, very like, easy if you could just study it, okay? In the next video, I'll be doing the one to solve for height. I'll see you guys in a few minutes.